Hi friends, this is Bharat. Today we are going to talk about abstract factory design pattern. Abstract factory is a creational design pattern used in case you want to create a factory of related object but not specifying their classes. There could be multiple motivation to implement this pattern. For example, you may want the same construction process to be reused to create different representations and step by step build it till final object is returned. In other words, you make super factory which creates other factories. It is similar to the push button in your laptop computer. You just have to switch it on and automatically the system boots and turns on mouse, keyboard and screen. Besides, you can start it in normal or safe mode. The difference between factory method and abstract factory is in factory you care about creating object but not how to create or manage it. While factory method provides framework for object creation, it relies on subclasses to handle the object instantiation. Abstract factory uses composition to delegate responsibility of creating object to another class so a family of related objects can be created.
Now let's implement a sample code to understand it further. Let's jump right in.
Let's take the same example of starting the laptop computer in various modes. I have created the iMode interface which has one method on, and iMode is implemented in normal mode as well as in safe mode. Now let's continue by creating the abstract factory class. This will have a method which will return the iMode interface. Now let's go ahead and implement the abstract factory class. First, let's do the normal factory. We will have to implement the interface where the normal factory will be returning the normal mode. We can do the same for safe mode as well. These factories will be requested by the client through the factory producer. The client has to pass whether he needs the normal factory or the safe factory. And if it is normal, then we return the normal factory. Notice we are returning the factory itself. If not, we return safe factory. We are done with the code. Let's see how it will be invoked from the client. We obviously have to call the factory producer. And let's create the normal factory first by passing in true. Now let's call the mode method and switch on the laptop computer. Let's see it in action. On in normal mode, and if we pass false, then safe mode factory and the method will be executed.
If you are attending interview or a student, please check out source code from link given in video description below and implement the questionnaire along with test cases. Share your code in the comment section so everyone can benefit from it. I shall also try to answer any of your queries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.